Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2018 Ford Super Duty F-350 Limited. Now the exterior colors are shadow black, and under the hood we have a 6.7-liter power-stroke diesel engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our LED high and low beam headlights, as well as our LED daytime running lights with a pair of fog lamps, our 2 tow-hooks and a block connection, as well as our front-facing camera. Over at the side we have our 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped around Michelin tires, as well as we have our cameras located under each mirror, as well as our power deployable running boards with our black mirror caps and our chrome door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows at the rear, and on top we have our twin panel moonroof. And this Limited also comes with remote start. At the rear we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7 pin connection, as well as we have our trailer hitch connection. We also have our reverse sensors paired to our backup camera, as well as we have our LED taillights with our power release tailgate with our tailgate step. And inside our box we have a spray and bed liner, as well as we have our fifth wheel prep package with our LED bed lighting, our tie down points, as well as we have our embedded defroster in our rear window with our power side feature, as well as we have an extra reverse camera located in our third brake light. At our interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage with ambient lighting, as well as power locks and memory seating for the driver, as well as power windows with our power adjustable and foldable mirrors to the extendable option. We also have our blind spot information system. Over at our steering column, we have our LED lighting front our mirrors with our automatic headlamp dial, our tailgate release, and foot pedal switch button. We also have our fully telescopic steering wheel with our information trackpad and our adaptive cruise control settings. And at the right, we have our hands-free and entertainment and volume controls. As well as we look ahead, we have our pre-collision warning system. And up above, we have our auto dim rearview mirror with our cabin lights, our 6 aux ports, as well as our 3 garage door opener points, and our beautiful twin panel moonroof. And as we look at our outstanding interior, we have our cocoa leather with our limited stamping, which includes a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for both driver and passenger. And as we look ahead, you'll notice we have 38,285 kilometers on our outstanding limited Ford Super Duty. And over at our Sync 3-inch touchscreen display, we have audio control, climate control, including heated steering wheel for the driver, as well as phone connectivity, navigation, other apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as both driver and passenger can both enjoy massaging seats. And with the camera icon on the top right, we can watch the display of our front or either or rear camera. And underneath we have our sync controls, as well as we have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating throughout our entire cabin, as well as we have air conditioning and heated seats for both driver and passenger. We also have our dual smart charging USB ports, as well as our cubby storage with our dual cup holders with ambient lighting underneath, and our center console with loads of storage and 2 cup holders at the rear. Passengers can also enjoy loads of door storage, more ambient lighting, as well as power windows and storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. At the back of our center console, we have a 12-volt adapter with our outward seat seats, our dual USB ports, and AC outlet and dual ventilation to keep the air circulating in the rear. And with our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, we are left with loads of legroom and tons of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this outstanding Limited, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.